Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Hello there everyone. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take apart to replace the screen assembly on your LG Fiesta 2. And remember, we're going to have all the links for the parts and tools needed for this repair in the description below. Okay, so first thing we're going to want to do is make sure the device is powered off, and we're going to need to remove the back cover. So with a thin prying tool like you see here, we're going to need to wedge in between the frame of the phone and the plastic back cover, lifting it just slightly, making enough space so that we can place in there a plastic prying tool. Once you have the plastic prying tool in there, you can remove the metal thin prying tool. So next up, we're going to go around the entire back cover, releasing all of the clips with the plastic prying tool, slowly giving it some pressure upwards to release all the clips. Once you have most of the clips released, we can use our fingers to give it pressure and completely pull it off the rest of the clips. After all the clips are released, the back cover will completely come off in one piece. Next up, we're going to be removing 11 small Phillips head screws holding on the back frame of the phone with a small Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the SIM card and SD card tray if you haven't done so already, so we can get that out of the way. Then we're going to get the plastic prying tool once again, and we're going to pry up in between the plastic bezel frame of the phone and the front screen assembly frame. And we're going to pry, as you see here, completely around the entire assembly, releasing the clips holding it on. This should be pretty easy as the clips are not on as tight. And once all the clips are released, the back frame of the phone comes off very easily. Let's go ahead and disconnect the battery to stop any electricity flowing through the phone. Let's disconnect the bottom flex cable here for the LCD and digitizer. Let's disconnect the front selfie camera flex cable here and the rear camera flex cable as well, and it came out very easily. Let's put that to the side. So once you have those cables disconnected, we can go ahead and pull up on the bottom here on the motherboard, lift it up. You can wiggle it around a little bit and it will come right out. Next up, we're going to need to give it some heat here on the screen with either a hairdryer heat gun, or you can place it on a hot plate. We're going to need to give it heat to loosen up the adhesive holding the battery down so that we can remove the battery. So we're going to get a thin solid prying tool like this one that we use, and we're going to wedge it in between the battery and the frame of the phone. Once the prying tool is completely in there, we're going to begin to wedge up slowly and carefully on the battery to release the adhesive holding it down. As you can see, it lifted up a little bit. So I'm going to reposition the prying tool and continue to give it pressure, lifting it up, and it comes right out. Let's go ahead and pull off the front selfie camera here. It comes right out very easily. Next up, with the screwdriver, let's go ahead and give it some pressure on the bottom of the vibrator mode here to lift it up. Next up is this ear speaker. So we're going to wedge the screwdriver in there as well, in the middle here, and pull up on it slowly and carefully to remove the earpiece completely. Now, once again, with the thin solid prying tool, we're going to squeeze it in between the frame and the flex cable for the power button here. So squeeze it in there and gently move it around to release the adhesive holding it to the frame. Once most of the adhesive is removed, you can go ahead and pull it off slowly and gently with your fingers. So one more thing that we're going to need to remove is this flex cable down here. It's like an antenna. So squeeze the prying tool in between that antenna and the frame to remove the adhesive, to be able to pull it off. So gently and slowly go around it. Be careful you don't rip it. And the adhesive does come off pretty easily as well. Once most of it is completely loose, you can pull it off with your fingers. Okay, so that's everything taken off of the LG Fiesta 2. This is the LCD and glass screen assembly frame. You can buy this entire piece right here. It should be pretty inexpensive. Although if you do want to just replace just the glass and LCD, you can heat it up around the sides with a hairdryer heat gun. Give it some heat, and then with the prying tool, you will need to pull up on the glass, okay, to remove it from the frame that it comes with. And then once all of the glass and LCD is removed, you're going to need to place the LCD and digitizer cable, which is this one right here, through the small opening here. And then you would need to place adhesive around the frame of the phone so that it can glue the new glass and LCD onto it. But my suggestion is that you order the entire screen assembly, like the piece you see here. It will make your life a lot easier. It will make the repair easier, and it should only be just a couple dollars more. So once you have your new LCD assembly, screen assembly ready to go, all you're gonna have to do is put everything back together in reverse order. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video on how to take apart so that you can replace the LCD and glass screen assembly on your LG Fiesta 2. Hope this video was helpful to you and hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like, and I'll see you around in the next one.